how to unblock someone on Facebook in your Android device. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook and log into your account. After that, you'll be able to see the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner. So simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you have to go through the settings option, which is right next to the search bar in the right upper corner. And here you'll be able to see the various settings. You have to scroll down below until you see the blocking option. So you have to go through blocking. And here the person you have added to block list will be appeared. If you want to add someone to block list, then you can directly tap on the add to block list option over here, and you can type the person's name or email, and then you can add the person to the block list. So if you want to unblock, then you can simply tap on unblock, which is in the right hand side, and you have to once again confirm that you want to unblock and tap on the unblock option with blue letter. And by doing that, you can see the person has been unblocked. So by following this simple step, you can unblock someone on Facebook from your Android device. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.